Hello world, welcome to codingscientist.com. We are on project number 10. I am going to show you a short demo about BMI calculator using a Python code. It's very simple. Again, it's just about 10-15 different lines of code. So, but what is a BMI, guys? So BMI stands for body mass index, right? So that is what it is. BMI is a measure of relative weight based on an individual's mass and height. So, most of the hospitals and clinics and stuff, at least in this time during the COVID time, everybody gets panicked to go to hospital. But in case if you get a chance, you can take a look. Most of the doctors and nurses, they just look at BMI and all those calculations. Well, today the body mass index is commonly used to classify people as underweight or overweight or even obese. Also, it is adopted by many countries to promote healthy eating. So, BMI is a very important aspect which you should know, as a general knowledge. So, how do we calculate using Python? So, BMI can be considered as an alternative of for direct measurement of body, right? So, we will be building a very simple calculator. It's very, very simple. I'll just share my IDE and you can take a look. It's just about couple of lines of code, what about 16 lines, right, including the space. So here we are just creating couple of our own logic here within this particular if conditions, and you will get the calculation perfect. So let me run this program and see what happens. All right, enter your height in centimeters. So let me say 156. Oh, centimeter, right? Enter your weight in kg, say 10. Can you see your body mass index is 4.1.0, all those. And then you are severely underweight. Wow, that's amazing. Let me kill this program and run it again. Okay, and now what is your height in centimeters? Say 300. Weight, okay, 80. You are severely underweight. So it's the logic basically, it's taking comparing between weight and your height, and that's how the calculation happens. It's pretty simple, guys. You can actually enhance this particular code further and build your couple of other logics here and build an interesting application. All right, guys, that's it for this particular demo. As we go along, it's going to get more and more complex. I'm getting into the gaming aspects very soon. Goodbye.